Hey guys! Welcome back to the Disney 6. We are bringing you a princess hair tutorial today, similar to what you would find at the Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique for a fraction of the price. So to get started today, hairbrush, hairspray, a fine tooth comb, bobby pins, little baby elastics, little hair pullers, and do not forget your big elastic for your ponytail.
And of course, a tiara.
A tiara. Real quick about the tiara, we just grabbed this one at the Dollar Tree because we no longer have littles. However, at Walmart, Claire's, you can find tiaras with the comb in the center. That is really the ideal tiara for this hairstyle, similar to also what they give you at the boutique. Ours just has these little combs on the side. We're just gonna do a little wrap around on the top bun. But again, the comb down the center is really what you're looking for. Let's get started. The first step for your hairstyle is going to be a high, tight ponytail. You're not gonna want flyaways. The better you do at your ponytail, the better your hairstyle is gonna look. I actually have a water bottle, a spray bottle, and we also have our hairspray. For the next part of your hairstyle, you have a nice high pony right now. You're going to take these small elastics and you're going to section off your daughter's pony. The first section is going to be twice as long as the remaining sections. You'll see why in a minute. You're going to roll the ponytail down. This last section here is going to create the bun effect for what's behind the tiara. I'm just kind of going to guess for now, and we can adjust these as we go. So obviously my daughter's hair is very, very long. We may do with 4 small elastics on this. And you can see, I'm gonna now roll these. This first one is about twice as long as the rest. Now you've got your nice tight ponytail. You have your ponytail sectioned off. The first section again is longer. These remaining sections are gonna be about half as long as your first section. You're now going to roll everything away from you, nice, tight, neatly, as best you can. Just try to keep all the hair inside your roll. You're gonna roll, roll, roll. And when you get to the end here, you're gonna fan this over. And now we're gonna secure this with bobby pins. So now you have your nice tight bun, you have your bobby pins around, you turn your head a little bit. We're gonna take our tiara and we are going to secure it around. And now if you have some glitter spray, some pixie dust, highly recommended here. However, not needed. And there you have it. Smile, show everyone how beautiful you are. The Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique classic bun hairstyle with tiara, exactly as I did it on my daughter many, many years ago. Save yourself some money and learn to do it yourself. Thanks for watching.